weekend at National Academy.
That's right, yeah. What an event.
And that's when you really seem to be
I'm
absolutely
took.
when you sing in line.
Well, for me, that's where it's at.
It's fine.
Loving live performance.
It's fine.
It's great because
It's fine.
every live performance I could see. So, as much as I love the studio process, as much as I love the idea of going in and trying to, mess with it until it's perfect, things like that concept
So my new thing
that really
is having a hiccup while talking.
Yeah, thank God for that because I was terrified so much from my early career. It's pretty nerve-wracking. I get starting theater and I really do have so many thanks.
Interested in the phone.
High school that
Crazy Lee.
once you come out here, I want you to do it because those are those moments where you're being thrown into the fire, but it's okay because it's for your parents and your friends and kind of get your feet wet a little bit. And then, at 17,